Anthony Joshua has just lost £32 million from his huge payout from his fight against Jake Paul. Now, this isn't from any kind of suspension, he's not broken any rules or been fined anything. This is purely in taxes that he owes from this huge payout. Now, the two fighters split a purse of £137 million equally between them, meaning that they're both getting £68.5 million from this fight. So for context, that is £1.4 million a minute or £69,000 a second. So not a bad earner for one night. However, Anthony Joshua is now going to face an absolutely whopping tax bill, starting off with the fact that the fight was held in the US, meaning that he is going to be paying US federal taxes on these earnings. And so for him, the tax rate will be 37%, which will go straight to the IRS. So that's about £25.6 million. And now one thing that was good for them was that the fight was held in Florida, meaning that there are no state taxes to be added on top of this. And so nothing will go to the government of Florida. However, Anthony Joshua will still owe HMRC some taxes because the tax that he paid on the income to the US government wouldn't have been as much had the fight been held in the UK and he paid the tax in the UK. And so HMRC will require him to top up this tax and pay them an additional £5.5 million in taxes to match the rate that he would have had to pay had the fight held in the UK. And so this is because HMRC and the US government do have an agreement. So the individuals who are from the UK but earn income taxes in the US won't have to be double taxed on this income, but they will have to be taxed essentially at the higher rate and then pay a top up to whichever government didn't get the original tax. And then on top of this, Anthony Joshua will have to pay national insurance of £1.4 million, meaning that the total tax bill for this fight will be a whopping £32 million.